So this is project 3, so where I used a MVVM model to save the history. Let me first show you the UI part. So when you click on a menu, I have one more page called history. So whatever the expressions we do over in the calculator, that will be showed in the history page. For the sake of demo, let me do some expressions. I'm randomly doing some expressions. If I go to history page, I got all the history. First I did 8 plus 8. So what I've done is I'm also showing the time when it is actually done, and to use list view header and footer, I used list view header and footer just to say like start of the list and end of the list. And from here I can also go to my calculator, or I can obviously go from here. All right, now coming to the code, what I've done is I've taken one view model. Instead of using the traditional MVVM model, that is iNotification kind of service, I used observable object, which is from community toolkit. So I have one property which is observable property, and I named it as item. And whenever we click on equal to sign, I'm calling the command. That command will be called this method, where I'm adding my expression into the observable. And then if you see my history page, if you see my history page, have a view model over here, and I have a binding context in the CSS page. This is my binding context. I'm binding it to the view model. By using a dependency injection, I'm injecting the calculator view model, which has been programmed in main program. Here it is. So for advanced calculator page and for the history page, I'm adding a singleton, so I can inject in any to these two pages. All right, so I used a list view over here, and this is my header. This is a static header, and this is my footer. This is also static footer, and here I have my body. I have one label. I used a grid inside it, and I have first two labels is for this icon and the time, and the last label is for actual expression. So I'm binding it by using the view model. That is all, Professor. Thank you.